Live Code team because I wanted to create a mobile version of the XAPI reporter. It's a tool that runs like an extension in your web browser. When you visit a web page, you can rate that page and the reporter will save your rating to an LRS. This screenshot shows that I gave my cohort experience a rating of 5 out of 5, and that rating is now stored in my LRS. So my plan was to learn live code and recreate the XAPI reporter as a mobile app. Well, that was the plan, but that's not what happened. Instead, I made this app. It's not the reporter, but it has basic functionality for creating the real reporter or any other learning record provider. Here's how it works. If you enter an LRS endpoint, the LRS API credentials, the user and password, and an XAPI statement, the app can send the statement to the LRS if the app is online, save statements locally to a file for instances when the app is offline, send statements stored in the local file to an LRS when the app is back online. Now that I've described what the app does, I'll show a little bit of the code. This is the app populated with an XAPI statement and information about the LRS. This is the code that sends the XAPI statement to the LRS. I'll explain how it works. When the user clicks the Post to LRS button and releases the mouse, the on-mouse-up handler is called. There are 3 parts to the code. First, we get the LRS information in the XAPI statement from the text fields and store them in local variables. Next, we use those variables to set the HTTP headers and post the XAPI statement to the LRS. We encrypt the API user and password. We set the content type to JSON. And we set the XAPI version number. After setting the headers, we tell live code to post the statement to a URL, which is our LRS endpoint. Finally, we put the results from the post command in the results field of the app. This lets us know whether the XAPI statement was posted successfully or if there was an error.